Okay, I'm having trouble getting the looting working. I'm close, but I haven't got it working yet. So I decided we're going to work on the level up system next instead of the looting. So, what we're going to need to do first off is we're going to create. I don't need this, hold up. There we go. We're going to create another data table. Where did I put mine? Let's see here. Here we go. For some reason I got mine here in this level up data table. So first we need to make a structure. And I just have one value in here. It's an integer and I call it total exp. And here, let me name this right. Okay, and then we create a data table using our new level struct. And in this data table, we have to create all of our levels. And I have decided to cap mine at 100. Now you'll notice that there is the number twice here and then the row name. Well, the row name is the one that we actually have to use. So you have to go through in here and put 1, 2, 3, all the way 4. And then on this side, you can come down here and put in how much experience you want them to gain a level. And it goes by how much you want them to gain that level. This isn't showing the total. So for my first level, when you start at level 1, of course, you don't need any experience to be level 1. To get level 2, you need to get 10 experience. Then after you get level 2, you need to get 20 more. Then 30 more. Then 40 more. You see, I just increased mine by 10. And once again, remember, this isn't a going total. This is how much experience you need for that total level. This is going to be our progress bar, basically, how we're setting this up. Now, after you set that up, you can come here and we're going to create this check level function. We're going to have an integer, an exp on the input, and then we need to go to our enemy, and right here where it dies, we are going to cast to our character and call our check level function. And then in our enemy class, we're going to add our experience variable. And of course, that's where we're going to set the experience that we're going to get from the monster, and we're going to pass that into the check level function. Now back in the function, we're going to take that experience and we're going to add that to our regular experience, and then we have a new variable that's experience total. Now the reason why I have an experience and an experience total is for the progress bar. So this total here is no longer your total experience. This is exclusively, these numbers are exclusively for the progress bar, and I'll show you that in a bit. So anyways, back to here, we are adding the experience to the experience gained, and then also to the experience total. Then we're going to check to see if this experience is greater than or equal to our next level. If it is, then we're going to reset our progress bar. And to do that, we're going to subtract the next level from there. And so if there's a remainder of 3 experience, that will still be on there. Then we will add our upgrade point. Then we're going to check to see if we're at our level cap. I chose 100. And if we are at a level cap, we're not going to increase the level. And we're done. Then we're going to, if we're not at our level cap, then we'll go ahead and increase the level. Now, we will check once again to see if we hit our cap of 100. If we are at a cap of 100, after leveling, we don't have to do anything. But, excuse me, this is where our data table is going to come in. Oops. We are going to get the level. If we're not at 100, we're going to get the level. We're going to add 1 to it. We're going to convert that to a string. We're going to convert the string to a name. And then we're going to look up our level number in our data table. And then that's going to give us our next level. Now, we have to go back to here, and let's open that. And we got to make a few changes. The first one is here. This is now just the experience total. So now, this is always going to show the experience total, and then those other numbers are going to show the progress to the next level. Now, there's one more thing we need to update. Hold on a second here, let me save this one. The next thing we got to do is update our save file. So, come into your VR game instance and your save file here. And the first thing we need to add, ignore this for now. The first thing we need to add is this experience total one. Just a note, I haven't gone over this yet, okay? But we need this experience total integer. And we come back to the game instance. And then we need to update our save file. Right here. I had a spot to stick it in here. So remember, we're saving, so we have to get from the character and set on the save file. And then when we load, we're going to do the opposite. when we load, we're going to set on the character and get from the save file. Then another thing that you might want to do is come to your save data and then fill out your default values. That should be 0. These should all be 0. I decided to give them 5 points at the start. The level next needs to be whatever you set your level next to for the first one. Otherwise you might get an error. And another thing you might want to do now, after you do that, is reset your save. And let me show you how to do that. Come out here anywhere and go Show and Explorer, and then come all the way back to your project file name. There'll be a folder named Saved. Go there, go to Save Games, and then here's our save file. Go ahead and delete that. And now you have reset all your save data. So now when we load the save data, it's not going to mess things up. Also, go into your character and make sure that your level next equals what your level next also should be here. Follow me? Make sure you have all your default values clear. XP needs to be 0. Level next I have 10. Experience total 0. Default is 100 for health. Default mana 100. Make sure you have all your default values cleared. Okay. Now, note, the only weapon I have set up for melee right now is my mace. And then I have these guys set up. I have them set up with 10 for the experience points that they give. And let me go ahead and show this off. Okay. So yeah, see, I was trying to get this looting working and it's not working right. How? Oh, I'm getting attacked. I'm just gonna grab my mace and start fighting these guys. Oh crap. Now you can see there, I just leveled up to 4, and now my progress bar reset. Ooh, I got a few upgrade points. Let's me use them. Ooh, 2. Yikes. Yeah, there we go. Anyways, let me get some mana regeneration going here. Okay, so now, so now I've killed 9 of them because they give 10 experience each. I'm at level 5 now. See, and now my progress bar is reset. And now I killed that guy, and now it's filling up again. When I level up, I'm allowed to reset. Oh, come on. These guys just keep coming. See, now it looks like I probably need 2 more hits, or 2 more guys at the moment, to reach my next level. Do I have 2 more guys running around here? Let's see. Yeah, oh, yeah, he sees me. Ah, okay, yeah. And I was trying to explain. I almost got this working, but not quite. But that's our level up system. I will see you in the next video.